maybe I should also like... Filming on my G7X. I just did my makeup because I'm gonna take some pictures, but I'm gonna be cutting my bangs on camera. I feel like I titled one of my most recent videos where I cut my Sailor Moon bangs and stuff, but this is gonna be like an actual in-depth video. Surprise, I'm also wearing my natural color for my eyes, so let me know if you guys like this look on me. This video is sponsored by Black Rialto Beauty. They're an online virgin hair beauty supply shop, and they sell a bunch of virgin hair extensions, wigs, all that good stuff. I was actually at a shoot for a makeup brand yesterday with this wig, and they styled it, and I just washed it today, and the hair is still super soft. It's crazy, and they've manipulated this hair like crazy, so I'm really happy that it's such in good shape. But they sent me this wavy bob. I already went ahead and I blow dried it straight pretty much. I'm also gonna go in with my straightener to do the bangs after I cut them. I blend out my contour just a little bit more. Yeah, and I personally chose this bob from the website. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the information below and the link to the bob as well. A lot of y'all liked my Sailor Moon video, and I got a similar wig to it that is a lot thinner because the other one was just way too thick on me and it was just not good for summertime, and this is a perfect summertime wig. It kind of hits me right over here. But yeah, I'm gonna go in. I'm just gonna talk through this video. It's gonna be a very chill, not like my other hair videos have been. I'm not really thinking of this as a hair video. I'm just thinking of it as me cutting my bangs. Just gonna take some. I don't like to really get too big of a chunk on my hair. I just take a smaller amount because you don't want to cut off too much, guys. It's not going to be very fun for you. Start right here, and I just kind of lightly go in. So it starts off kind of long. And of course it's not perfect. I just do it in that motion because I don't want the bangs to look super blunt. So I just kind of move my scissors as I'm going down. And this is one side. I might actually cut it a little bit shorter. And I know some of y'all are afraid to like cut your wigs and stuff, but like I just go for it. Cool thing about this hairstyle is that you don't always have to wear it with the bangs. Put it on the side if you want and have it curled. That's kind of where I want it. I don't really want it too short because I'm going to be curling them anyway. So I'm going to take some hair from this side. And this side's trickier because I don't want to use my left hand exactly. Back. So this one kind of has a little bit longer strands I'm gonna chop off. Okay, that looks about right. I'm gonna throw this hair away. It's kind of hot in here, guys, like really hot. So if you guys want, you don't have to have your hair in your face. You can have it on the sides like this, and I think it still looks really cute. It's got that vintage type of look to it. I realized this whole time I wasn't even using my freaking mirror. I was just using my camera. And you can adjust your bangs too as you go on. Like, I'm gonna probably just cut some like that and make them more blunt. Whenever I'm curling my bangs, I kind of let it cool off like this so that whenever I brush it out, it still holds the curl. Looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places. Sometimes they just act funky because they're a little bit too long. So you just have to, I don't know, mess with it and adjust. I'm just gonna brush these. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the bangs portion. I don't even know if I want to touch, well, I will. I could honestly bump my hair. Every night, every day, promise will never change. Some of the hair so that it's got some shorter pieces, you know, up in the front, and then you can basically, when you bump it, you won't just see it just down here. Oh my god, so I'm really loving how this turned out. It's actually really easy for me to do this look. Yeah, I'm gonna go actually change my top so I can take some pictures and just show you guys how it looks with a really cute top that I got recently. But again, this hair is from Black Rialto Beauty. I hope that you guys like my Sailor Moon bangs. I went ahead and I also bleached the knots to this unit really briefly. This is how the hair looks with this top that I got. I wanted to show this first in my haul video, but I didn't get to make it yet. It's basically a first look, but I really do like it with this hair. I think it looks super cute. But yeah, I hope that you guys liked the video and I will talk to you later. Bye.